In this tutorial, we will show you how to copy a one-sided document to two-sided on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series. This is also applicable on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 printer series. So these are 4 pages, that is one-sided. We're going to load it into the automatic document feeder. Now the document feeder only scans and copies one-sided. So from the control panel, we need to do some settings to allow it to copy one-sided and then have it printed two-sided. So let's head over to the control panel. From the control panel, select Copy. Select Document Copy. As you scroll, you can see the option for sides. Select that. Select 1 to 2-sided. After selecting, tap on the green button. So this is a two-sided copied document. So this is how you copy a one-sided document to two-sided on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 or 8130 printer series.